Introducing Enhanced Property Details. Enhanced Property Details make sure that you're fully prepared when you show a home to a potential buyer. Users have more information than ever with the ability to set showing instructions, add homeowner notifications, and more. Manually end a showing. This feature helps a showing agent manually indicate that a showing has ended by simply clicking the stopwatch. When a showing is manually ended, a notification is sent that can let the listing agent and homeowner know. My Schedule. My Schedule is a feature that offers organization for our listing and showing agents. This provides the ability for listing agents to schedule appointments.